Alright, so I've already sent it. Surprise video. I wasn't planning on doing this today. It is Monday or Sunday. So I already got the paint and everything, 50 bucks total. So Tyler's coming over right now. He's gonna help me out here. And let's get going. This is after 2 coats. It's gonna need a couple more, but it looks pretty good so far. Just a quick walk around. It's gonna be cool. All right, so I just got home. It's the next day. Tyler came over while I was at work and he threw some more coats on. So this is, I guess, 2 more coats. It looks like it came out really good. I might try doing, like, I've got 2 days off coming up in a couple days here, so I mean, there's a few touch-ups to do, like up here and stuff, but like for the most part it looks like it came out really good. Pretty stoked on it. Lots of bug stuff and tree stuff, but that all wipes off. Yeah, like you need to get some spray paint in there. It's gonna rain the next couple days, but after that, on my days off, it's supposed to be nice, so I'll be able to do some finishing up stuff. And then I can get this, I can paint all the trim, because like all around here is gonna be black, so I can just mask this off, tape that up, and get this thing finished up and get the wheels on. So it'll be a big difference in a few days here on my days off. Should be able to put it together nicely. But yeah, so stay tuned for that. So there's the painting video. Didn't get any clips of any of us painting because I kind of just threw this together last minute. I was like, let's paint this thing. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this quick little video. It's painted.